Okay, now that you've learned about the manufacturing costs that are out there, materials, labor, and overhead, we're going to work on now figuring out how manufacturing companies come up with the cost of their jobs, um, with the obvious importance of then being able to figure out how much they have to charge their customers in order to make a profit. So there's two primary systems that companies choose from when determining how to put a cost to whatever they're producing. The first is job order costing. And this system is used typically when companies are making products that can be um, that are like individual jobs where there's a start and a finish to a job. And the example the book gives, they give you wedding invitations and menus. So in each of these cases, a bride and a groom will come to them with a job, and they'll make invitations for one particular situation. It's not like continuously making invitations, for in perpetuity. Same thing with menus. A restaurant will come and they'll want 100 menus made, and that will be the start. There'll be a start and a finish to that job. So in that case, companies will be able to add up the materials, the labor, and the overhead for to make each of those jobs, and they'll be able to compile that total cost and then price their product accordingly to their customer. In a process cost system, it's a little bit different. This system is used when companies make a product continuously. You can think of this as being like auto assemblers, like General Motors, Ford. They continually produce cars, and it's an ongoing set of processes that they engage in. So in the book example, they give you the production of compact discs, and it shows you how the processes involved in making compact discs. But each of these processes kind of keeps going continuously. It's not like it's an individual job. We'll look at process cost testing a bit more in chapter 16, and we're going to look at job order costing here in chapter 15.